The power of prediction is quite simple. Prediction is so powerful. It gives us a way to become more successful as readers or listeners. And as we become more successful, we become more confident. And as we become more confident, we become more successful. So the power of prediction really is that. It's a simple tool that will make your students more successful and more confident readers and listeners of English. A subskills approach is so useful because we give our students the opportunity to learn a skill in bite-sized chunks. That means rather than the daunting task of reading or listening, we can look at little bits of it, and it means that they can be more successful and more confident as they go. So, for example, I might find reading really difficult, and that makes me not like reading and feel like a failure. However, I find reading difficult, but I'm really good at the gist question. So if I'm good at reading for gist, which is a subskill, that makes me feel a little bit better about reading. It makes me feel that I still don't like reading, but I'm good at this one thing. So a subskills approach, learning a skill within bite-sized chunks, really so useful.